Hi everyone, Charles Galvana from Ion Books here. As you know, from the 1st of July, Payday Super is here in Australia. That means you need to pay your staff superannuation at the same time as you process their payroll. The old quarterly superannuation process is no longer here. Xero's made some changes though to make this process easier, so during this video I'm going to walk you through how to process Payday Super within your Xero file. So how do you get started? Well, right here from the payroll page itself. You should have finished processing your payroll as well as paying your staff. Now you're ready to pay the superannuation. So from this screen here, select Make Payment and choose the Pay Superannuation. Xero will then take you through to this page here, and by default it will show you all of the superannuation liability that you have not yet paid. If you're up to date with your Payday Super, this should just be the superannuation from that payroll you've just processed. So to pay the superannuation, you'll want to simply select everything that you can to be able to pay all of it. Now note, if you've got a lot of employees, you may not necessarily be able to see all of them on the one page, and down the bottom of this page, you can change how many employees you're going to see or lines you're going to see on this page. Notice here, Xero will prompt you to select all of the lines that you need to select. So simply select all of that. Xero will then show you the total amount of superannuation that you've selected and you're ready to pay. So if you're ready to go, simply hit Submit for approval. If you're the nominated authorizer, you'll then get an SMS code. Now live, I've just received that code here as quickly as that. If, however, you're not the authorizer and you're simply preparing this batch for someone else to authorize, you can safely leave this screen. Otherwise, continue to approve. Note, if you're the authorizer and not the person that prepared the batch, to find your way to here, simply go to Payroll, Superannuation, and you'll see the batch here pending approval, and you'll return to the exact same page. From here, enter in the authorization code that you just received and select Approve and Pay. And just like that, Xero will now debit your bank account and send all of those funds to the relevant superannuation accounts for you. So that's it. Payday Super inside Xero is now done, and you can go and do something else. So as you can see, the process is fairly straightforward, flowing on nicely from processing the payroll. So I hope you found this video useful. In the coming weeks, we're going to be releasing more videos in relation to how to fix any Payday Super errors that you may receive. So please like, subscribe, and turn notifications on for our channel to be notified when we release those videos. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers.